Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jenny Agustin, 41 years of age, from Caloocan City, Metro Manila, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic and I'm married. My husband's name is Frederick Agustin. He is a meter reader. We have one lovely daughter and she is now 2 years old. I have one brother and one sister, and I'm the second siblings of the family. My father's name is Severino Tano. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Yolanda Tano. She is a housewife. My height is 162 centimeters and my weight is 83 kilograms. I am a high school graduate. Previously, I worked in Hong Kong as a domestic helper from August 2006 to May 2023 for a Chinese family, 3 adults. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care of a 96 years old elderly, cooking, ironing, house cleaning, washing clothes and dishes, marketing. I can cook Chinese food. I am patient, honest, hardworking, loyal, and trustworthy. I want to work in Hong Kong again to give my family a better future. Mom and Sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and treat your family as my own. Hope to see you soon. Thank you. God bless.